Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to post on Instagram automatically using N8N. You do not need to write any code, just follow each step and you will see how it works. First, log in to your N8N account. You can use the cloud version or a local installation. Once you are inside N8N, click on Create Workflow in the top right corner. This will open a new empty workflow. To start, we will use a manual trigger. This will let us run the workflow step by step for testing. Click the plus button, then search for manual trigger and add it to the canvas. Next, click the plus button again to add another node. Search for HTTP request. This node will send a request to Instagram through the Facebook Graph API. Select HTTP request and connect it to the manual trigger. Now, it's time to fill in the details. In the HTTP request node, set the method to post. In the URL field, type this address. Scroll down to the query parameter section. Click Add parameter 3 times. For the first parameter, set the key to image_URL and the value to. This is the image we want to post. For the second parameter, set the key to caption and the value to. Check out our new product launch. Available now. For the third parameter, set the key to access_token and the value to this token. This node creates the post on Instagram. Now the workflow is ready. Click the play button on the manual trigger to test it. If all steps are set up right, this would create and publish a post on the connected Instagram business account. You can later change the manual trigger to a schedule or another trigger like a webhook. This lets you automate posting on Instagram based on your needs. That's how you use N8N to post on Instagram using the Facebook API. This method shows you how it all connects and helps you prepare for using real account information.